nag-mince ako ng maraming garlic kasi gagawa tayo ng fried garlic. And ito, may oil na ako, pero we don't want it to be very hot. So ito, yung aking minced garlic. Kung wala kayong food processor, pwede nyo namang i-chop-chop. No? You can mince it by hand. And ito, even before my oil is hot, hindi pa mainit yung aking oil, ilalagay ko na yung garlic. So yun ang sikreto. So bago pa siya uminit, hindi mo gusto na paglagay mo ng inyong oil, diretso siya prito. So yung ginagawa natin, bago pa uminit yung oil, warm pa siya, lalagay na natin yung ating garlic. The objective of this is not na gusto natin na maging soggy yung ating garlic, pero we want to dehydrate it. We want all the liquid to evaporate, no? Para pag naging crispy na siya ng matagal. Hindi yung brown na siya, pero later on, because there is moisture inside, nangyayari, nagiging soggy. So this is the secret. So even before our oil is very hot, lalagyan na natin ating garlic. And we will use a spatula to scrape. So I will just stir the garlic. And little by little, as the oil becomes hot, it will begin to fry. So dahil hinahinay lang yung pagtaas ng temperature niya, little by little din, nag-evaporate yung moisture dahil sa init ng oil. So that's it. And handa ko na yung aking other ingredients para sa aking pinaputok na tilapia. So, handa na natin yung ating mixture para sa ating pinaputok. Bakit siya pinaputok? Dahil binubusog mo siya, 'di ba? Binubusog mo siya ng palaman. Then, para siyang pumuputok sa busog. So, because you're stuffing it with all these delicious items, mga palaman natin. So, meron tayong luya, then kamatis and sibuyas. Ito, ipapalaman natin yung ating ginger, ating tomato and onions. Meron akong maraming ditong minced onions. And titimplahan natin yung ating palaman ng Maggi, yung ating kalahati ng Maggi nandito sa ating palaman, and the other half sa ating tilapia. But before that, papakita ko sa inyo, ito, yung aking tilapia, pwede natin i-trim yung kanyang fins and tail. Ganyan, no? Gupit-gupit lang. Pwede namang hindi, no? So, ito, kinariskisan na to sa palengke kanina. And I'm just trimming off the fin. Ganyan siya. Kasi yung gusto ko mangyari dito ay from the back of the tilapia, yan, maglalagay ako ng konting opening, no? Kasi dito ko din ilalagay yung palaman natin. Yan, no? Look at that, oh. So, this will also help your fish cook evenly. Dahil, di ba, ito dito, hollow naman yung tiyan. Ito yung makapal na part. So, ito, by opening up the back side, we will allow flavor to enter, but also allow it to steam more evenly. Yan. So, itong ating tilapia, tatlong tilapia. Important to season properly. I will season my fish with salt. Importante outside and inside. Inside the cavity. Ito sa may likuran at saka yung sa may tiyan. Very important, no? Yan. Nilalagyan din natin ng magic sarap sa konti sa loob. Just rub around, no? Yan. So, this will give it a very nice umami flavor. Yan. Rub with salt and all that. Then, eto siya, inside the cavity. Yan. Yung butas siya sa loob. Lalagyan natin ng palaman. Ganyan, oh. Stuff with our onions, tomatoes, ginger. Kung gusto mo lagyan ng garlic at leeks, pwede din. Pero wala akong leeks. So, merong flavor sa tiyan and pati sa likuran ng inyong fish. Meron tayong dahon ng saging. So, ang dahon ng saging here is being used not as a cooking vessel only, but it's also treated like an herb, no? Dahil it will flavor the tilapia as well. Hindi lang siya yung dahon na aesthetic, pero ang flavor ng banana leaf, parang kumakain tayo ng bibingka, di ba? May lasa, may aroma na nagpapasarap sa pagkain. Meron tayong foil. Yan. And ito, this is the way I like it, ha? So, So, suggestion lang, kung ayaw nyo namang gawin, hindi nyo kailangan gawin. So, meron kong butter. So, this butter or margarine, I just put my banana leaf, 1 banana leaf, then my butter. Then, yung tilapia, and add yung mga palaman dyan, and just wrap. So, yung gusto natin gawin dito ay we just want to like steam it in these pouches. Pwede mo ding ihawin, ha. But today, I'm using a steamer. Just close that up. Parang ganun. 3, we have 3, so we will prepare 3. That's it. Let's clean up. And before we start steaming, gagawin ko, tatapusin ko muna itong ating fried garlic. And nakikita mo, lumulutang na siya. It's light brown. Yan. And now, it's going to be crispy. So, before siya na sobrang brown niya, eto siya, kasi mainit siya, pwede na natin to siya i-strain. So, ito, let it cool down. And later on, we will have very nice fried garlic na hindi mapait. I will just add my garlic. Beautiful. Oh, yun ang magandang garlic. Oh. We are ready now to steam. Tabi natin tong oil. And this oil is very nice garlic oil. Ito yung gagamitin mo pag mag-gisa-gisa ka, gagawa ka ng sinangag. Perfect yan. Umulo na yung ating tubig at panahon na mag-facial tayo. Lalagyan natin ating fish. And this will steam for around 25 to 30 minutes. And in the meantime, gagawa tayo ng side dish para sa ating ulam today. And meron tayong seaweeds. And while I'm heating the water, asin na natin to. And in the meantime, I will prepare my condiments. And ito, medyo mainit na yung ating water. Iba-blanch natin tong ating guso. And blanch. We will cook it for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then ito, meron din tayong lato dito. Ang lato, we don't cook the lato. All you have to do is just remove the mga patitigas sa stalks. And you can wash this, you can rinse this in cold water with salt. Pero pag bumili ka nito, pag hindi mo makain, huwag mo siyang i-refrigerate or else matutunaw siya. So this is our guso. The guso is like looks like parang branches or parang coral. So look at that. And it is parang like gelatinous. No? Ang texture na parang gummy bears. And gagawin natin yung ating sausawan. So this is tomatoes, diced tomatoes, ginger, siling pula, konti, siling green. Pwede mo din lagyan ng garlic, ha. If you don't like garlic, don't put garlic. It's up to you. Yan. So, onions. And suka. Patis instead of salt. And sugar. Yan. So, binabalance natin yung tamis at saka yung asim. So, ito siya. This is the way you do it. Dito sa ating guso, we will add everything. No? So, magtitira ako ng konti as sausawan for our lato. Add natin ng suka here. So, this one, you can do ahead of time because you want to pickle this and konting black pepper. So, this is the siding to our fish today. And luto na yung ating fish. Yan. Ang bango. And we will open our very beautiful packet of our steamed fish. So, ito na yung ating pinaputok na fish. And kung gusto mo lang malaman kung luto na siya, ito, wala akong barbecue stick. Ito siya. Pag tinusok mo siya and diretso siya, walang lumalaban, luto na yung fish. Di ba ganun yan? Nagiging flaky yung fish pag naluto. And our steamed fish is done. What you can do here, you can add your fried garlic on top. Beautiful. Mistisa yung fried garlic. Ganyan, no? At pag kumain tayo, meron tayong Maggi sabor. Perfect. Titikman na ba natin? Let me start off with my gusto. Pa-healthy tayo. Ah. Ito. Sausaw. Gusto mo? Wow. Now our fish. Let me taste. Kung hindi pa kayo nagsasubscribe, it's about time you subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. Dami nating recipes. Ang sarap nito. Nice, very delicate. Ito. It's perfect. This is a very perfect, healthy recipe for all of you. And ito yung ating recipe today, ating steamed tilapia with our side seaweed salad. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.